Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick, just hello and introduction for those of you who aren't familiar with me yet, and for those of you who are also following Spirit-wise. I'm going to be teaching a couple of classes this spring. The first is the end of March and then early April. The first class that I'm having, I want to say it's the 24th, it's a Monday, don't quote me on that, but it's on the site. It's called Magical Boundaries. And first off, I want to just say how excited I am and honored to be teaching at Spirit-wise, because both Erica and Vero have been studying with Wendy Fogg for a number of years as well, and Erica was in my very first apprenticeship in a gazillion years ago, like 2005 I believe was when we graduated, so it's coming full circle, and it's just really exciting to be teaching at their amazing magical shop. So just a little side note there. But my Magical Boundaries class is really for anyone who just wants to practice their no, practice tuning into their heart-centered self of existing in the world, and really being able to weed out what's not serving them and create boundaries for oneself in all of the different situations and experiences that life can bring us. It's really about protecting our no, our intuition, our gut response of like, ooh, this doesn't feel good, or this doesn't feel like a good fit for me. But also learning to honor all of the energies around us, how we can process them and let them move through us instead of sort of traumatize us or keep us stuck or make us feel a certain way. But so it's going to be touching lots of different areas around what boundaries are, what healthy boundaries are, what loving boundaries are, and being able to stand up for oneself in a way that is not abrasive, but is holding firm. And a lot of this is just, a daily practice. We'll be talking about different meditations that we can do. We'll be talking about lots of different herbs in different forms, whether it's flower essences, essential oils, whole herbs. Crystals are wonderful allies for this. And also checking in with ways that we can keep ourselves clear energetically and physically on a regular basis, that we can really tune into our truth and really tune into the signals and signs when our boundaries need to be assessed and when our boundaries need to be honored and a little bit more strongly, right? Because there's so many different areas of life. This is especially helpful and potent for folks who consider themselves empathic or just really sensitive, a little sponge maybe, that you just kind of can pick up energy really easily, and that you're affected by them really strongly. So these are all going to be different components of this class, and we're all going to go away having created a little herbal and crystal talisman, sort of like a keepsake and a touchstone to help us hold our boundaries that we're working with, and just to have, to move you forward on your path to having healthier, more magical boundaries for oneself. So I hope you'll check out the full description of the class, the workshop, on Spirit-Wise's website or mine. They're on both spots. And consider joining us. It's going to be a really fun evening filled with just like love and positivity and just intentional magic for oneself around magical boundaries and healthy boundaries. All right, that's it for now. I hope you have a great night, and I'll talk to you later.